Hi guys, it's Lynn again. Today we're going to go into Outlook, and I'm going to show you how to create your signature and change your settings for your email when you're composing. Okay, this is going to be short and sweet, promise. So I'm in Microsoft Edge. I'm going to go to Office. Remember, this is Office Online, so it might look a tad bit different if you're using the desktop version of Outlook. Um, so here's my email. I'm going to go over here to my settings. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to go to View All Outlook Settings. And I'm going to click on Compose and Reply. All right, I've already done mine, but this is where you go. Yours will be blank here. So if you have a picture you want to insert, maybe you have an avatar, if you want the pirate head, if you know how to go swipe that off of the web page, that's how I did it, and download it, put it in here. The only thing is make sure you keep it kind of small. You'll have that choice. You can make it a little bigger, but I made it as small as possible. So whatever information you want here, I know some of you, you can go back to your first class and put your disclaimer at the bottom if you guys have that on your emails. And then check these boxes. Okay, so whichever ones you want. Automatically include my signature and new messages that I compose. Probably definitely want that. And so if you forward or reply to, if you want your signature to show on that also, then click this box. That's not really necessary, but message format. Choose whether to display the from and BCC lines when you're composing a message. Always show BCC, always show from. That again is a personal preference. You want to keep it in HTML format, which shows all the formatting. If you do plain text, you're just going to get plain text and you're not going to get any of the formatting that comes with it. So this is the body, what your message is going to look like. So if you want to change the font of that, it's going to show you down here. So if you changed it to that, if you wanted this one, this is what it's going to look like. You can change how big it is. I wouldn't make it much bigger than 12. If you wanted it to be bold, italics, underline, or a certain color. Again, don't really recommend those, but if that's what you want. And this might be important, okay? Choose your default response when you reply from the reading pane. So I think the default was reply all. We do not want that again. We don't want the whole everybody gets a message when you reply to somebody. So choose just reply, and then you can choose reply all if you need to from the message. Link preview. This will show you the preview of any kind of link, which is a nice feature. So I would click that. Undo send. Okay, this I believe starts at 0. This will give you 10 seconds to undo your send. So it won't send after you push the button for 10 seconds or whatever you set it for. I did it for 10 seconds because I'm always forgetting to add something. Joyful animations, I don't even know what those are, but I think it's checked by default. Quick suggestions, again, those are things that you can turn off or on. Suggested replies, those are quick replies that say yes, okay, thanks, blah, blah, blah. And text predictions, again, those are something you can turn on and off. All right, so all of these things, most importantly, you guys should all have an email signature. So here's where it is. All right, click the save button and you're done.